Hello everyone, this is Aman, your full stack instructor. Welcome to Perfect eLearning family. In today's class, we will discuss about adding unordered lists in HTML. So let's start without any delay. So students, there are two types of lists in HTML. The first one is unordered list and the second one is ordered list. So in today's lecture, we will discuss how to add unordered list in HTML. And in our upcoming lectures, we will learn how to add ordered lists. So let's create another HTML file, unordered list.html, generate code, unordered lists. So let's add one heading first, and I'll write list of colors. I am creating one list of colors. So to create unordered list, there is one tag which is called UL tag. So UL stands for unordered list. Okay. So here I have started the list and here I am ending the list. Okay. Now I want to add items in my list. Okay. To add every time to add any new item in the list, there is one more tag which is called list item tag. So LI. LI stands for list item. Now I am adding one item in the list and I can say blue. So blue color I have added. Now I want to add another item in the list. To add another item in the list, I'll use again li tag, which is list item. Now I can add red. To add, you can add as many items in the list as you want. Simply you have to use li tags and you can add the item. So I am adding green, orange, purple. So let's run this much. As you can see, there is one list created of the colors. And why is it called the unordered list? Because there is no ordering like 1, 2, 3 or ABCD. There are only bullet points. As you can see, the circle bullet points here. So this is the unordered list. And you can see the list items which we mentioned here are visible on the web page here. So we can also create nested lists, like a list inside of the list. Suppose there is blue color. Now I want to add a list inside the blue color. Like I want to add the blue categorization of the blue color, like the light blue and dark blue. And I can do that using by creating another list inside this list item. So this list item is starting here and it's ending here. So I can create one more unordered list here. What I am doing, this was the unordered list. This was one list item in this parent unordered list. Now I am creating one child unordered list in this item. So let's create list item and I'll say sky blue and list item dark blue and another list item navy blue. Okay, let's see how it's visible on the page. Now as you can see, a child list has been created in the blue list item. So you can create list inside of the list. And this is called nested list. Okay. So similarly, you can create a nested list for red or any other list item color as you want. So this was the basic overview of unordered lists in HTML. I hope you have understood this topic very well. So now practice or learn by yourself. I'll see you in the next lecture. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.